Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with FileZilla for FTP and SFTP access to VPS. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, download FileZilla from the official website. Locate the downloaded file and open it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install FileZilla on your computer. Once the installation is complete, launch FileZilla. In the top menu, click on the File option. From the drop-down menu, select Site Manager. In the Site Manager window, click on New Site to create a new connection profile. Name your new site anything you prefer for easy identification. In the Host field, enter the IP address or domain name of your VPS. For protocol, choose either FTP or SFTP, depending on your server setup. If you selected FTP, in the encryption field, select Use explicit FTP over TLS if available. For SFTP, in the Logon Type dropdown, select Normal. Enter your username in the User field. Then, enter your password in the Password field. After filling in all the required fields, click on Connect to establish a connection. You may see a prompt about the server's certificate if using SFTP. If you trust the certificate, proceed by clicking OK. You should now see the directory structure of your VPS on the right side of the file. You can easily upload or download files by dragging and dropping them between your local system and the server. To disconnect, simply click on the server menu and select Disconnect. You have successfully registered and connected to your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.